Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel and like the videos if you like it. And if you want to follow me on my Telegram channel, the link will be provided in the scrolling. So you can copy the link and join with my Telegram channel also. Here, this video, another powerful free scanner which I'm going to create you right now. So that I done some back test and also it is working good and well for a intraday as well as positional trades. So that I am going to discuss in this video. So I'm going to create the scanner as well as I'm going to tell you how to make the scanner. So if you want take the scanner, I will share you on my Telegram channel. You will be getting out. So simple, and we made a lot of things on the Bollinger Band breakout, right? The same kind of thing I'm going to use here only. So what the new in that one is, we are going to use the average true range. Based on that, the Bollinger Band narrow range, I'm going to focus it for. So the normal Bollinger Band breakout which I'm going to use, there I used only the narrow range, but here I'm comparing with the average true range. Okay, so let me try. So normal Bollinger Band. So let me try to start the scanner, how to create it. So most of them are asking you someone who knows about how to create the scanner. So they will make the scanner very easily, but someone who don't know about how to create the scanner, but they know. Uh, so there I will make you the scanner and I will share you on my Telegram. So you can get it from there. So if you want to join my Telegram, I will provide the link in the description. You can join with that link. So now I'm going to take a future stock, which I'm going to try to trade on that. So it is there's a particular method which I provided one of my student. He is asking about. He's not a student. He is more than double my age. So he's a big boss like that. Okay, he asking me 1 week like this kind of scanners I need, this kind of so after seeing all the conditions, so and finally we have created such a great code, so that will helping you to find out intraday as well as positional trading strategy that I'm going to discuss here, and a more powerful positional indicator and intraday also you can use as your like good one intraday. So let me back test how it is going on. So here again we are using only the candlesticks pattern. It will not repaint any point of the time. So it is a real scanner you will be getting on real market. We are not going to use any other volume, any other oscillator here. So only simple candlesticks pattern where it is closed above or closed below like a Bollinger Band. So we are going to use a simple Bollinger Band method. So I'm going to use a daily basis. So let me try it that upper Bollinger Band. Directly we're gonna go for a upper Bollinger Band. So the 1 day ago upper Bollinger Band, the normal parameter is a 22, right? So that I'm using. I'm not going to change any other thing. So I am going to minus that 1 day ago upper Bollinger Band. So like lower Bollinger Band, upper Bollinger Band minus lower Bollinger Band. It must be less than or equal to, right? Less than or equal to 1 day ago like average true range ATR. Okay, this is average true range 1 day ago. I'm going to use this true range as it is right now. Okay, so this is the one I'm going to use as it is. Now I'm going to use a filter, futures. I'm going to use the latest close. Here I'm going to use all the conditions here. The latest close is greater than the Bollinger Band, that is upper Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band greater than upper Bollinger Band. So still clear. And we copy the same. And the latest close is less than lower Bollinger Band. The code is very simple. This is what the code. So here we are going to use the stock process or any of this condition. So let me scan that. So we are using normal ATR. So let me try to save the scan with Bollinger Band. We will save Bollinger Band, BB Band, BB Band with ATR positional trade. So you are asking him the name. So this is by Talent Traders. Okay, so this is code and submit this code. Okay, the code is ready. So we didn't get any stocks here, and can you see there is a no stocks which is formed if you are comparing the ATR with the same as ATR. Sorry, we have made mistake. Yeah, everything right. 1 day ago close, minus 1 day ago Bollinger Band, lower Bollinger Band, and less than equal to ATR 14. That is everything right. But we didn't get any stocks. The code is not working. So we have to compare with the ATR number. So we need to multiply by the number. So ATR, if the ATR is 1. Okay, so that is a mistake. We are doing that. We didn't get any stocks. But where we made a mistake. Let us close is greater than, let us upper Bollinger Band 22. Everything is right. So let me try it out. So we need to change this 1.2. Got it. So the ATR, we are multiplied by the ATR, so 1.2. So 1.2, only one stock on July 19th. So almost 6-7 months back, we got a stock. That is what Siemens. Let me check it out. What happened in Siemens and 1 month back. So we are using the Bollinger Band scanners here. So let me add Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band. We have added a Bollinger Band. So when we got the stock, it's a daily time frame on 19/7. In June, July. Maybe here. 19. Where we got 21. We moved so far. Here, this is the pattern. I think this 19th July. So can you see the Bollinger Band is already narrow. It's done and it is the expanding. That is the time of expanding. We are going to take a trade opportunity. This is for a sale opportunity. We got it, and initially it triggers you sale with the stop loss of this. We got an maybe profit at 1:1, but finally it triggers and it started moving. It's not a reversal kind of trade. So whenever it closed above upper Bollinger Band, we may be trying to take a opposite trade. But this is the trade which I am going to focus for that. So it is finding out. So Bollinger Band narrowing and then it is expanding. So that point of time we are going to find out such a trade opportunity. But if you are using such a one last 6 months, if I find out only one stock, what is the use of it? Is there any use for using the scanner? No, right? So if you are using the ATR, must be greater than 1.5 multiplied by 1.5 times, you will be getting a lot of stocks. Can you get it? So let me see, try to do on November. So this is happening by 2022. That is, no, there is no stocks on 2022. This is happening by 31st December. The stock is Trent. Today also it performed well. Trent. 31st December. Let me see where you can find out 31st December. This one. This is the entry point 1069.9. 1029. It is a positional trade. We are using a daily time frame. So this is the entry candle where you got an entry after 2 days later. So at this point you got the trade opportunity. Then it works well. If I buy simply one call option for this trade, maybe limited risk. Can I make unlimited profit if the stock goes up and up? This is the trade where I find out daily basis. And previously, what are the stocks we seen? Some other stocks. What kind of thing? So the Bollinger Band is narrowing and it is started moving, expanding. So that point of time, I'm going to find out such an opportunity by using ATR factor. That will find out such a great trade. It is a positional, so I'm using. And then what the stock before? That is Alchem on 30th of December. It's another one, Alchem Laboratories. This is the 30th, 29th. This is the 30th of December. So having big risk. First of all, big risk. But entry is not triggered. But entry is right now triggered and it is trading here. But the stop loss you must keep below this candle. So big risk. If you are taking that, very big risk. So but still it is trading on the same level. Maybe you are buying at 750. Now it is 3,700 nearby. So 50 points is down. There is a chances we are waiting for that upside target. And any other, what is the previous one? Alkem, and previous one also be Alkem 29th. Okay, if you find out earlier of this opportunity, this is what your entry point. So 29th also same kind of pattern, so narrowing and expanding. So this point we got opportunity, but if you are taken entry here, very small risk, now it is triggers your target. Is that right? If I'm buying a one call option at this point, I'll be making huge benefit from this kind of trade. So we even we have a very less number of stock by using this method, and before that we got in November 2 Bharati Airtel and M&M Finance at 2nd November. So let me try it. Bharati Airtel, we have November 2. This is a November 2. Sorry, this was a November 2, I think. Yes. If I'm taking an entry at here, this might be a stop loss. And what happened here in this transaction? Should I make money here? Then the market is moving higher than that from November 2. The second stock, we got it. What the stock is M&M Fin. Second November, maybe this. October, November. This one is the 2nd November, where you are going to take an entry around 197 with a stop loss of 179. It moves towards 205 and then finally triggers your stop loss and it fallen down very big. Okay, so we find a very small number of stock here. So even I'm going to change some values here. So that will make you even more stocks, 1.8. You make a 1.8, we'll be getting regular intervals. So we'll see 29th Alkem, there is a present Alkem present. Oh my god, saved it now. Yeah, oh, we need to change something. I missed to saving that. So now I'm going to use this point 1.8. Everything is right. Save the scan first. Run the scan. So we will find out regular interval. Recently we got 6th January trend. So the same stock which is started by first time it is started by here on 31st December trend. Now it is performing well, and here we got a Alkem that is working well. And this point of time 15th December we have PA Industries. Let me try it out. PA Industries on 15th December. What happened here? This is the 15th December. So but what happened here? There is a no trade entry trigger at this highest level, and finally it coming down. It broke below our stop loss, but without entry it triggers a stop loss. It is an invalid trade, right? And then previously, so we have some other different stock at starting of the December 6 Indus Tower. Let's go for a Indus Tower. Recently we made a profit in Indus Tower 2 days back. 6th of December, 6th December. At this time it is giving a sale opportunity. This is a sale. By next day itself it triggers your sale. This is what your stop loss, not triggered, and it gives you huge benefit. So we can use the scanner for both the way, whether buy and sell. That is why we are given the code here. Both the conditions where we need to meet. So both the conditions where we are going to meet. That is why the meaning where we are mentioned here, right? So either this condition or this condition satisfies, it will come. So once you got the stock, you can go through that, and whether we are going to buy or sell, you can decide. So based on the Bollinger Band, and the same one which we are going to use for a 15 minutes time frame also. Let me show you how to trade with a 15 minutes time frame. I'm going to just change the time frame of 15 minutes. I'll make the scanner for intraday 15 minutes. Here 15 minutes of previous candle, and here also 15 minutes, and I'm going to use -1 previous candle. These, if you are going to use intraday, you need to take just 1.2 as a reference, then it will give you such a good one. So here 15 minutes time frame, and here 15 minutes, everything was a 15 minutes. You want to take trade in a 15 minutes time frame, so that's why I'm making here it. And if you run the scan, if you find any stocks for today, somewhere this is happening by 13th Jan today, na? So here the first one is 10 o'clock, and 4 stocks we got it. 9:15 itself we got a Balram Chini. Let me go for a Balram Chini at 9:15. On 15 minutes time frame, not a positional, intraday. 15 minutes we are using 9:15 candle. This is Balrampur Chini. Great success here with a stop loss of this from 427, 446, almost 20 points. Huge. Can you see? There is a narrow and expanding. This is the conditions we are mentioned here. Narrow and then the expands. That we meet. So great opportunity. Now it's went up. The intraday trade. So you can make use of it. And the second one, SCL Technologies. The same condition which is happening at 15 minutes time frame. This is the first candle. SCL Tech, where it's a big one. You need to, sorry, SCL Tech, it's happening at 9:30. This candle, it's broken that low from 1340, it coming down to 1321, 20 points. What the risk for the trade? 15 points. Then your target done. Stop loss not maybe triggered, but before that it gives you the target. Okay, two. And third stock would be Colpal. So not a good volume stock, but even we can check it. Colpal at the time of 10 a.m. This one, it broke, then keep the stop loss previous candle. It also works well. Good. And finally we have the fourth stock. We may be getting Laras Lab at 10:15. Maybe this 10:15. Once it is broken that high 522, it went up to maximum of 528, and it made a stop loss for the traders 518, 522 to 518, 519. Somewhere around 3-4 rupees is the risk, and it gives you more than 4 rupees. And again we have done some Laras Lab also in a live classes we have seen. So there is a reversal pattern. So it is giving you profit, right? So you, those who are learned my live class training today, so you know well, but we seen the same stock also, but we are not going to take because high risky, but it is working well. The risk is you can decide. So now you can use the single scanner for a buying opportunity as well as selling opportunity. So two scanner, one is for a selling, that is a daily basis, and another one is for a 15 minutes basis. I hope this may be useful to you all, and you can make use of the scanner and give me a feedback, and you can change your any of these condition, because I'm going to give you the free of cost. You can make use of it, or you can copy the scanner and other things you can do it. Thanks for being with me, and thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much.